Hey guys, Dustin here. Welcome back to the Theme Park Shark. Quick video today, just a POV kind of tour video. Want to keep you guys as close to the park as possible during this time of quarantine, so I'm going to keep uploading videos like this. But don't worry, we will be back very, very soon with some podcasts, live streams, all the normal good stuff that you guys have come to enjoy from the Theme Park Shark. So stay tuned. We got plenty more for you. For today, enjoy this one. I'll see you guys real soon. Take care, guys. So talk about exactly what you're doing right now.
Scanning some dinosaur eggs.
You're scanning dinosaur eggs?
Yep. See what type of dinosaur and stuff it is, I guess.
Gotcha.
So you choose which scan you want, then you adjust the intensity of the scan so you can actually see it moving in there.
Oh, yeah.
Then when you're ready, you hit the record button.
Uh-huh.
Press accept to identify your egg sample.
Uh-huh.
You got 8. That's what the egg was.
Now where is this egg? Is it down here or something? Is it it's that one? That's the egg you were scanning?
Yep. And then
I
you
see.
Choose a different one whenever you're ready.
I see. Oh, cool.
Player positions are still available, or join our irrepressible audience.
Play against me?
I'll try. Wait, you hit this one right here?
Yeah.
Alright guys, wish me luck. I've never really done an interactive walk around, but I guess we'll do it now. Wish me luck, guys. Let me know if you like this too. Wait, was I supposed to do something? I'm ready, let's go. Oh, I think it's waiting for this person to potentially join in if they want.
We're not going to find it.
Yeah, I don't... Sorry, guys. Hey, there you go. That's one way to do it. That's quick thinking, Jake.
Completed. Players and audience, please stand by.
You Bet Jurassic! And here's your host, the man who put the dough in Dino, Paleo Professor Dr. Gene Gould. Hi, Gene.
Hello, everyone! Players, our game's point is scoring points by being the first to correctly answer questions and solve puzzles. But be sure to wait until each question is presented and your buttons illuminate before guessing. Right, so let us begin with our first question. Worth 50 points. Dig this. Where is the best place to find fossil dinosaur bones? A lake bed. B, a bone bed. C, a lava bed. Or D, a water bed? Not so. Anyone who still owns a waterbed probably is close to being a fossil themselves. Players, someone can still... One might find fossils in a lake bed, or something else. Charlie?
Oh, got it wrong.
Sorry, but any bones in a lava bed would be incinerated. Like the occasion my electric blanket. 100 points. I'll tell you, sportsman.
Let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Dr. Hector Blackwell, and as one of the veterinarians here at the Central Hatchery, I encourage you all to stick around for the next couple minutes. I'm sure you're probably wondering what kind of machine this is. Now this is the hatching chamber. This hatching chamber has just alerted us all to an IHE. This stands for Imminent Hatching Event. And believe me, you definitely don't want to miss out on such a spectacular moment in time, which is this. That's usually the time frame that a lot of our dentists. Did I say hours? I meant seconds. Hi there, little one.
Player positions are still available.
Well, I want to use Kevlar gloves to make sure that nothing bad happens to my fingers. After all, in my line of work, it's very important for us to use our fingers. Just for you guys. I'm going to pick her up so we can get a better look at her. How's that?
Game will begin shortly. Player positions are still available. Join our irrepressible arms.
Okay, easy girl.
Player positions.
Okay. Now, you do mature rapidly, becoming adults in just about a year. However, they do require a round-the-clock care, so they are big enough, strong enough to grab the back of their very own. Matter of fact, it's one of our greatest challenges here in Jurassic Park. Introducing them to the other velociraptors. Not before they hold their own. Yeah, everyone waiting by you. Jurassic Park's new extended care. Great bunny discovery.
You'll get to take that with you if you bring it back to us on another visit.
It was about 2 pounds, 3 ounces. Big set.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate that. Alright, you have to enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you too.
Oh yeah, I also forgot, you're more than welcome to come back and check up on your dinosaur.
Okay.
So at any time, it could be 6 months from now, or a year, you're more than welcome to come back.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Hey Jake, they named one after the shark.
Hey, that's so sick.
Guys, we have a velociraptor.
This is so old school.